Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off comments on your Instagram stories using your iPhone or iPad. So let's get started without wasting any time. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or iPad. Now, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner to open your profile. Next, tap on the video player icon. This is where all your Instagram stories are displayed. Select the story where you want to turn off the comment. Then tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner and choose Manage. A new menu will appear on your screen. Here you will see the option Turn off commenting. Simply tap on it. And that's it. As soon as you do this, the comment option will disappear from your Instagram story. So friends, that's how you can easily disable comments on any Instagram story. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone and Instagram tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.